In this video, I'll show you how to find the campaign ID in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And down below, you want to click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Now, once you are on the Campaign section, what you need to do is simply hover your mouse on the campaign in which you want to see the ID to. I will do this to Threadhaven, and what you want to do is hover your mouse on the title. Once you hover your mouse on the title, simply click on it once, and that will automatically take you to the details of that campaign. Now, once you are on the campaign details, head over to the top and click on the fourth tab for details. And once you do that, as you can see, we have here our email URL. Now, below the email URL, you will find mailchi.mp. The slash after the MP and before the title of your campaign will automatically be the ID. So on the right hand side, if we click on the pencil to edit, in here, we can simply highlight the ID, which is beside MP, as well as before the name of your campaign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.